Hello. Welcome to our first sendONSCREEN tutorial. To start with your free demo, please visit our website. You can sign in with your Twitter account. Now you have to type in your hashtag. I will start with hashtag Iceland for a social wall about Iceland. After clicking Save, your project is created. sendONSCREEN now searches for posts with your hashtag on Twitter and Instagram. It lasts some minutes until the first posts appear. To watch them, click refresh. In your inbox you can moderate your social wall. Here you can see the posts found with hashtag Iceland. You can preview text and media attachments. On the right side you see the author and source of every post. To put this picture on my wall, I just have to click the little green hook over here. Posts which shouldn't appear can be marked red. They won't appear unless you set them to green, but the red marker shows that this post was checked already and you don't have to care. If new posts are found, you will be notified up here. By clicking refresh, they will be added to your inbox on top of your list and older posts will move down. We're nearly done. On the bottom you find some information about the number of posts and how many of them you have approved. So let's see what's happened by clicking the social wall button. Here we are. This is my Iceland wall. Now it is your turn to do your own.